finish up this area tomorrow. I say good vibes to each and everyone all the time. Hey now, good vibes to each and everyone all the time. Alright. Evening get kind of cool, boy. Nowadays, people like to listen to all the madness. They find all the madness and some stupid talking. Everything you got to be consciousness. To the way all the people in the world live now. You have to know where you go at this time. I'm not too long. Until you chill it up. Until I'm gonna pour some going. Seriously, chill it up. The only things about what? I don't think I cool at all if I get a bit chilly. Finish off all them bits of tomorrow. Get them organized up. Some may say are good vibes. Indeed. Time seriously I get chilly now boy. Seriously I get chilly outside now boy. The front part of yard, they really tired me out, boy. Tired me out. Just sort out. Bless up, pick up on yourself, man. They are all a quiet little meditation. Finish work, kind of tired, so I relax myself. Evening kind of getting a bit cooler and cooler. Someone asked what am I doing? I'm just relaxing and chilling. For the whole half day I was busy doing some homework in the yard, cleaning up, weeding up some grass, some bad weed. So I decided to just relax and cool myself off before I go and take a shower. Yes. We got each and every one right across England, from Southampton to Scotland. We got everyone in Birmingham. We got everyone in North London, South London, East London, West London. We got all of the Jamaican take away them in London. Likewise in Birmingham, Nottingham, Galchester. I don't think I'm gonna stay out here too long. Big up all of the people in Cardiff as well. And big up on yourself. I am Scottish people and big up on yourself as well. Yeah, as well, boy. It's not a joke. Serious wind up blow, man. Yeah, no cup of tea. Well, greetings to each and every one, no matter where you're from. Have a blessed evening, a blessed night. Been working so hard, can't find the time to do these things that I need to do in the yard. So today is more like a resting day. Tomorrow, likewise, back to work on Tuesday again. The reason why I couldn't get to do all of this stuff, it was very wet, very cold, during the times that I'm not working. So I have to leave it until the time warm up a bit. But I'm getting there. Finish one side today in the front part area. So I just need to do the main side, the driveway, and tidy it up a little bit. I'm planning to put some grass, turf down soon as maybe Sunday, next Sunday coming, on one section of the yard. I'm getting there. Once again, big up to all of the working people. I have some people them so lazy. Apart from the one that you're kind of disabled and can't really work. To all working class people, big up on myself. All the lazy one them can't hold in the corner. Now some people them is very lazy. Their work is there to do and them prefer to just hang about, looking something from somebody else. And there's loads of work for them to do. Some of them got responsibility and they still don't want to get them on dirty, getting some work to do and stuff like that. They rather to sit about and who not and benefit and this and that. No joke. The time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. It's only in the Father, you know I put my trust. The way mankind are based on earth nowadays, boys, a bit weird. So much violence, so much war, so much this, so much that. I wish I could have really find a little place in the universe where I can really go, or on earth, where you got none of these madness. That's why we have to sing a little song. The time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. It's only in the Father, you know I put my trust. Time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. It's only in the Father, you know I put my trust. It's not everything good for eat, good for that. We don't trust no shadow of the dark. They will eat and drink with you, my friend, and later on they want to harm you. Time is so serious, cantankerous, dangerous. Tell them the time is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. It's only in the Father, you know I put my trust. Not everything good for eat, good for that. We don't just know shadow of the dark. They will eat and drink with you, my friend, and later on they wanna harm you. Serious, cantankerous and dangerous. It's only in the Father, you know I put my trust. Huh? I think I asked about that too long.